Welcome to day 38. Today's word is pain. Pain is not just something you feel, it's something you carry. It lingers in the body, echoes in the mind, and builds walls around the heart. But even pain has something to teach us if we are willing to face it. Pain is part of being human. It's the broken bone that healed crooked. It's the heartache that changed the way you love. It's the silence that followed betrayal. It's the ache in your chest when grief has no words. Pain shows up in more than wounds. It shows up in how you move, how you trust, how you see yourself. It's in the way your body tenses before anyone even touches you. It's in the way you flinch at love because love once hurt you. It's in the way you expect disappointment before joy can even settle in. We spend so much of our lives running from pain, numbing it, avoiding it, pretending it doesn't matter. But pain doesn't disappear when ignored. It waits. It waits for stillness. It waits for silence. It waits for you to be ready to finally feel it. And when you do, you realize pain is not only an enemy, it can be a messenger. It tells you where the wound is. It shows you where the healing needs to begin. It reminds you that you are still alive, still human, still capable of feeling. Pain is not meant to define you. It is not meant to be your permanent address. You are not your scars. You are not your losses. You are not your ache. Spirit never promised life without pain, but He did promise presence in the middle of it. He did promise that the story doesn't end in suffering, and He did promise that even the deepest pain can be transformed into something holy, something sacred, something that carries wisdom, compassion, and strength. So today, we don't dismiss pain. We don't hide from it. We hold it. We honor it. We listen to it. And then, we let Spirit turn it into something more than hurt. Pain may have shaped you, but it does not get the final word. Journal honestly about one pain you've been carrying without editing it. Sit in silence and place your hand where you feel the ache in your body. Breathe into it with compassion. Pray over the place in your life that still hurts. Invite Spirit into it. Do one gentle act of care for yourself today that says, "My pain is seen and I am still worthy of tenderness." Let's move deeper by reflecting. These prompts are here to help you listen to what pain has been trying to show you. What pain have I been carrying in silence? And what has it been teaching me? How has pain shaped the way I see myself, others, or Spirit? What would healing begin to look like if I stopped running from my pain and let it be felt? Let's ground ourselves with an affirmation. Breathe deeply, release slowly, and speak this truth. My pain is real, but it does not define me. I am stronger than what has hurt me. I am open to healing, one breath at a time. Again. My pain is real, but it does not define me. I am stronger than what has hurt me. I am open to healing, one breath at a time. Let's take this moment together and close in prayer. Bring one hand to your heart and gently close your eyes. Spirit, thank you for never leaving me in my pain. Thank you for sitting with me in the places that ache the most. Thank you for showing me that pain is not punishment. It is part of being alive, and you are present even here. Today I lift up the pains I've carried in silence, the heartbreaks that still sting, the losses I can't explain, the disappointments that replay in my mind, the ache in my body that reminds me of what's been broken. Spirit, I lay them at your feet. I don't ask you to erase them. I ask you to hold them, to teach me what they carry, to turn what was once only hurt into wisdom, into strength, into compassion. Heal me in the places I can't reach on my own. Bring peace to the wounds that keep reopening. Bring comfort to the parts of me that feel abandoned. Bring light to the shadows I've kept hidden in fear. In Spirit, I pray for the one listening right now, for the one who feels crushed under the weight of their pain, lift them. For the one who believes their pain has no purpose, show them that it can be transformed. For the one who thinks they must carry it alone, surround them with your presence. Hold them with your grace. Wrap your arms around them, Spirit. Spirit, let our pain be seen. Let it be honored, but most of all, let it be healed. I trust that nothing I've been through is wasted when it is placed in your hands. I trust that even my deepest pain can be turned into something sacred. And I trust that you are with me, even here, even now, and always. Amen. Pain may shape you, but it will never define you. You are more than what has hurt you, and healing is already at work. I'll meet you here tomorrow for day 39. Same time, new word. Until then, walk gently with your pain and let it teach you, not trap you. From my heart to yours, I am always with you.